Hey everyone, this is the demo of Rapid Savings app. First time when the application is loaded, it automatically connects with the MetaMask wallet associated in the browser. After connecting, we can see over here the network that is connected and the address of the wallet. There are two sections in the layout, My Wallet and Savings. My Wallet showcases all those ERC20 tokens along with Ethereum whose balance is greater than zero. The Savings UI is used for investing and withdrawing the invested amount into Compound protocol. The API, current API associated with each token can be seen over here. All these functions are using APIs for easy integration of blockchain. For example, if we want to invest DAI tokens, then we'll click on the buy button. Over here, the max button automatically fetches the maximum amount that is present in the wallet. By clicking on the invest button, the users can invest the value. After approving the transaction, we can see the mint transaction is pending. On the successful completion of the transaction, 10 DAI would be invested into Compound protocol. Now, as we can see over here, the balance is updated. Now let us withdraw this DAI that is invested in Compound. Clicking the max button automatically fetches the amount that is invested here. The withdraw function of API's API automatically calls the redeem underlying function of Compound. On the successful transaction, all the DAI that was invested along with its earning is redeemed into the receiver's wallet. Here, as we can see, the DAI amount is redeemed. If the user does not have the crypto tokens along with him, then he or she can use the buy crypto facility. The buy crypto function is linked with Rapid API. Rapid API use this client portal which can be used for easily payments of fiat of $500. On the successful transaction and checkout of this payment, the crypto savings would provide USDC worth of $500 to the wallet. And in this way, the user can again invest the received USDC amount. Thanks.